welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? Sports car producers at the pointy end of class Mach seem, by all accounts, to be inescapable business choices a similar way their offerings spur and what give off an impression of being unavoidable physical restrictions. Inquiries we've requested years include, how long until the point when Ferrari manufactures an SUV? 1 year from now. How long until the point that Chevrolet uncovers a mid-engine Corvette? Before long? And to what extent until the point when Lamborghini must perform hybridized open-heart surgery on its quintessence V12? As indicated by Motor Authority, as a component of a meeting with Lamborghini R&D honcho Maurizio Reggiani at the Detroit Auto Show, the response to that last inquiry is likely with the people to come. Reggiani disclosed to MA that the cutting-edge Aventador will accompany a V12. From that point forward, the man who makes the bulls said we should choose what will be the eventual fate of the super sports car as far as electric commitment, the standard issue of the commitment not being execution, but rather weight and power conveyance. The 4,085-pound Aventador influences scales to Saab, clarifying why Reggiani is so grave about weight suggestions that even a double-grasp transmission, an appearing shoe-in for the cutting-edge auto, won't get a go until the point that it legitimizes its additional weight over the present, ancient, single-grip gearbox. Carbon fiber as of now frames the Aventador's tub, so designs in Sant'Agata can't vanish several pounds with that change. Lamborghini's been taking a shot at the new auto stage A for over a year, no uncertainty because of batteries, yet stuffing a heap of triple A's into the body could transform a war vessel into a man of war. That recipe works for Bugatti, however won't serve Lamborghini nor its customer base. Reggiani isn't against some kind of electric help when the cutting-edge auto bows in 2020 or 2021, and at the Frankfurt Motor Show a year ago said he sees module half-and-half tech as the subsequent stage. However, we won't be astounded if the V12 tune remains the normally suctioned same at dispatch. In any case, the subject of ZAP, and turbocharging, stays one of when? There's such a great amount of composing on the divider that the written work is the divider. 2 years prior, Reggiani conceded that turbos will get dashed on at some point or another, as did Lamborghini's business officer Federico Foschini a year ago. The Urus will dial up a half-and-half powertrain soon. Reports pronounce the cutting-edge Huracán will go crossbreed in 2022, and Euro 6 emanations aren't getting less stringent. Regardless of how the coming leader influences its energy, to expect a greater amount of everything. Reggiani revealed to MA that the Lamborghini active aerodynamics framework utilized on the Huracán performant remains a major potential that we have in our pocket, however we could see that on a coming Aventador performant. Also, there are dependably those carbon fiber interfacing poles sitting tight for simply the correct utilized case.